In this video, I'm going to answer a question. So it's an FAQ edition. What is the question? This one here. 3 days ago, someone asked me a video walkthrough of how I create my logos and insert the logo into the Framer project. So, yeah, just for a quick context, I'm also a brand designer. I don't have that many projects when it comes to brand design. I try to do as less as possible. I still do enjoy them, but not as much as creating websites. But it's it's still like a great skill set to have. For a quick example, let me just show you my previous website when I was solely focused on helping ecom brands. So this I can. This is a skincare brand. This is a beauty brand. So I'm mostly focused on typography type of logos. I don't necessarily like to do you know those logos with icons and so on. I specialize in minimalistic branding. It's harder than it looks, I promise. So anyway, let's get right into it, okay? The example I want to use is my personal website. We will need Framer and Figma. Figma is free. You can either download the software or use the web app. Thing is, if you want to use a custom font, as I did here, you need to download the local Figma software. All right, so what did I do for my logo? Here we have it, like its ID for my name, which is Iman Jabi, and this is now a Victor. I don't even remember my font, which is crazy. Let me see if I can find it somewhere. Yeah, so I don't even have my font, but let me try and recreate that. When I do a professional logo, like for a branding project, I use Illustrator. I don't necessarily use Figma because it's kind of limited. But still, you can get away when you just need to draft a quick logo. But when it comes to making it look professional and like for people to take you more seriously compared to a Canva logo, for example, or like an Etsy logo, then you just have to simplify things because it's all about the personality of your brand and your website. Like, what do you want to achieve? For my website, I want something that looks elegant, clean, minimalistic, and at the same time modern. So we achieve that with the first typography, which is Satoshi, and it's a modern font that is kind of rounded. Okay, this is very important detail. And then we have the serif font that this will like brings the, I'd say, luxurious touch. That, yeah, I'm kind of expensive, but not that much to be fair. I want to be more expensive than that. And then now we have the buttons as well that have a rounded corner. Very important. Okay, and then yeah, I mean, it all falls down together. Like now my logo is kind of like it still stands out from the rest, but at the same time it's kind of unique. Okay, so now, okay, I'm kind of stalling the video. Let me get into it. When I'm talking about like typography branding, I get, I'd say, more passionate. So yeah, I can like fall off the ground here. I don't remember the font. The way that I found it was by exploring. The way that I found like which logo to say. So my first, let me start with the first part of the video, which is how to create the logo. So yeah, we you have to actually sit down with me for a bit here. I do like at least 10 variations. So I create like click on F for frame, or just come here, then create a frame. Then now we're gonna start working on the logo. Okay, I'm just gonna put in black. And I try so many variation. Like You have no idea. But what I do before is I know for a fact like what I'm gonna use. So I had an idea that it was like kind of script serif font. So what I did, I searched for a script font from the get go, and I see what I check what I have, and then I start just putting things here, script, and then I go script, script, script. I try, I hover over. Oh, I found my font. Is that actually? Yeah, is that it? Looks like it, but it's not the font. But you see like a small resemblance. So let me try Imperial. Is that it? No, it's not. Kind of odd. Looks really like it. And then I try again. Script. And then go, try, try, try. This looks good as well. And then script. Well, I don't know what I was doing. I kind of get got lost here. Dun, dun, dun. Not that as well. I don't even know if I'm gonna find the font that I used, but can skip ahead of the video, and you're probably gonna see me that I found the font or not. Oh, is that it? Oh my god, it's the same, bro. Okay, no, I don't even know which one is it, but uh, oh, let me try and find. Looks so similar though. I don't know. That's odd. Hmm. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna stop it here. Let me find what's his name. Wizkid. Okay, let me create a logo for you right now. And let's say you want. You know what I like is what is like you can mix things. For instance, I can do Wiz. Yeah, so Wiz like this, but not like this. Wait a few sec. Or Kivo not good, ASAP not good. I do know some font from the beginning, so I want to use like something that looks bold and geometric. Yeah, this one is good. Come some. I don't even know how to pronounce it. So now we have like this, okay? And I can do whiz, and then the kid is gonna have um, another one, which will be serif font. DM son, no, don't like it, don't like it, don't. Oh, this one, no, don't like it. I don't like this neither. Let me. Popular phone. Nope, nope, nope. I don't like those at all. Installed by you. Okay, yeah, that's looks. Okay, Agado is good. Let me try. And then what you do is you try different variation. Okay, so first variation is like this, and then second one is gonna be like this. I know. I do like this, and then maybe you can just come here and do find another one. Gallo area. Mm, don't like it. Bookmania. Don't like it neither. This one looks good. I like this one. Coquette. Oh, now we have something though. And then we can change this to perhaps light. Okay, now we have something. For me, this looks better than, bro, a lot of logos. Okay, then what we're gonna do? I should have actually done that because I didn't keep the text version. Then I'm gonna duplicate it. The way that I'm duplicating it, by the way, is I click on the layer and then I click on Alt on Mac, and then I drag, and then I let go of the mouse click, and then let go of the Alt keypad key. I mean, all right. Then what we're gonna do is right click and then flatten. All right. When you flatten, then you have now a shape. Okay, and now we can start to play around with things. And I'm just gonna duplicate. I want to see how it looks with without the button here. Uh, so what I'm doing is I double click, double click, and then I get this, and then I can select around it. Now we have something like this, which looks good, but we can now do things differently. So let me show you again. Something that I'm gonna do is to take this, and this, then click on K. Oh, no, actually, it's not even working. So I'm doing Command X. Nope. Wait a sec. Yeah, I select everything, do Command X, and then I leave, and then I do Command V, and then now I can do this. So this is a ruler. It's kind of approximate. I want to make it as big as the three first letter here. So I do K, and then I do like this. And now what we're gonna do is double click this and bring down those by maintaining shift. Okay. And then I click on this and I'm gonna bring it down as well with shift. Now we have something interesting. And I do the same thing here. And then, oh shit, wait, click on this. So when I say click on this is the point here on the top, it becomes blue. Then like you maintain the click and with shift, so it's like straight line, and then bring it back here. Let me see if it's actually the same that is here. Not really. Yep, now it's the same. Perfect. No, actually the D is kind of fucked. So yeah, let me bring it back a little bit up here. And just a little bit down then. Mm, 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 mm. And then click here. And you say like you perhaps you're like, oh, what are you doing all of that stuff? Just a logo, just a logo. Yeah, yeah, but we like to go the miles ahead to be in the future miles ahead of others. I'm not saying this is like the most important thing that you should do. Obviously not. You can have clients without even having a website nor a logo. But if you can just add an edge to yourself, then you do it, regardless of if you should or not. So anyway, yeah, don't take this like really as a gospel. Uh, but yeah, now we have the logo here, and so we can duplicate it and then just like white. And how I bring it to uh, Framer is with the plugin Framer, Figma to Framer. So widget, no plugin, Figma to HTML with Framer. Then it's gonna copy. It's done. You go back here. Then I'm just gonna create like a new one. You can start with. I'm gonna show you. You can start with the how do you call that? Pre-built, pre-built nav bar. So menu, is it here? Where is it? Navigation. Yeah, navigation, black version. Okay, perfect. And then double click on it, and then come here, logo. You click on top, and then I do Command V, and you see this is kind of messed up here. Okay, so let me go back to Figma. And the reason why it's fucked up is because, yeah, we divided both of those and it's not the right way to do it. So let me refix that. So we do Command G for to group them together, or just click right click, group selection, and then click again, flatten. Now we're good to go. Let's do it again. Figma to HTML, come back here, click on top, Command V. Now it's one vector only. Perfect. You can call this logo, put it on the top here, get rid of that. And then I'm just gonna do 120. And then you play around with the sizing until it feels good to you. Oh yeah, yeah. It kind of actually I missed this. I messed everything up. One sec. I'm just gonna delete that. Command V again. Why I did that is because I didn't lock the ratio. Okay, so you have to lock the ratio, and then do 150, and then play around with it. Now, yeah, this looks good to me. But you see, there's like a slide off with this. And then what we're gonna do is we have those. Can do with the gap. Yeah, 30, 35. 35 is good. And if we zoom in here, the logo is, yeah, it's good. In my opinion, it's good. Looks good to me anyway. And we understand that it's like WizKid. You can add, but I don't like the points. Could be a great addition, but this is not the goal of the video. It's not like logo based, but this logo will look better than a lot of many others. It's not really by personal taste. It's to solve a problem all the time. Okay, like this is, I kind of like my logo to be fair, but it's not just like personal taste. Again, it's to solve a particular problem, which is I want to appear X way, and X way is like I told you in the beginning, modern, clean, minimalistic, and quote unquote luxurious, or just like premium as a whole. And I can use my logo pretty much everywhere and very versatile. So yeah, even here on the bottom, as you can see, and it just feels good now. Like feels good with the entirety of the website and the font that I use, the colors, and everything that comes together. So yeah, I think this is the longest tutorial that I made without counting like the other, build basically live build. But yeah, this is how you create a logo in Figma and bring it to Framer without compromising like the size and so on. But if you had any problem, it's because you didn't lock the ratio on the right side panel within the size. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can rename it logo, and you can even change the color whenever it's a vector. A vector, yeah, vector. That's how we say it. And the way to do that is to click here, double click again, and then now if we go here, double click again, and then we can see everything. And then now we can change the color. Like I can put red if I want directly from here, which is pretty dope. Like honestly, it's dope because you can change colors after from light to dark, yada yada. But anyway, this is for another video. Um, Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any more questions, let me know. Like I told you, this is obviously a framer channel, but that doesn't mean we cannot learn other things. There's a lot of things that we can learn on top of framer that will help you become a better framer designer. So see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and book a consultation call if you need any more help. See you next time.